Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna hop right into it. This is gonna be a vlog. I'm going to be getting ready for a date tonight. Ooh, the lighting is horrible. Let me see if I can fix that. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm gonna be getting ready for a date. Let me see if I can prop you guys up here so that you can see me do my makeup real quick before I get dressed.
Santos. All of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clique. Word. All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick. No. All of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clique. Word. All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick. No. All of my bitches. You and all your girls bad as fuck. Put your hands up. If you and all your girls bad as fuck. Put your hands up. If you and all your girls bad as fuck. Put your hands up. Yeah. Put your hands up. What? Put your hands up. If you and all your girls bad as fuck. Put your hands up. If you and all your girls bad as fuck. Put your hands up. If you and all your girls bad as fuck. Put your hands up. Yeah. Put your hands up. What? All of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clique. Word. All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick. No. All of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clique. Word. All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick. No. All of my bitches.
Ooh, I don't want to clean up this mess. I really don't want to clean up this mess right now. Alright guys, so now I'm done with my makeup. That was like a quick, like really quick like makeup look. I already put my sunscreen on or whatever. I want to keep it light. It's hot outside. So yeah, now I'm just going to get dressed and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so I am back and dressed for my date tonight. The outfit, bodycon, little red dress. Okay. Outfit on point. Outfit on point. Okay, honey. The red dress is, whew, it is, whew, and I can't, whew, okay, so it's time. I don't have my shoes on right now because my shoes are downstairs and I'm not going to run and get them just to show you guys. They're basically just strappy open toe heels, black, you know. And then I have my Dior bag. And yes, I don't know if I'm going to record me eating or anything like that because, you know, I mean, he doesn't care, but like I kind of care. Like I want to keep it like private or just like low key. But I might. Hey guys, and I'm back. It's been about like, honestly, it's been a week. I was talking to you guys and I first started filming, I believe, on Tuesday. Today it is Monday, the next week, and it's been a crazy summer. I want to update you guys, give you guys a little bit of a story time of where I've been and how my summer's basically been going. Let me see if I can prop you guys up. I don't think I can, which sucks. My tripod for my camera actually ended up breaking and it ended up cutting me on my finger. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can try and focus it. Like it sliced my finger. If you can kind of see it a little bit. It sliced my finger and my tripod for my camera is broken. I do have another like handheld tripod that I can like hold in my hand, which is kind of exhausting because this camera is a bit heavy. But yeah, so I broke my tripod. It still kind of works, but I just don't want to put my camera on it because I don't want it to drop. Nonetheless, let's get into like what I've been doing, like the update on my summer, right? So it's kind of crazy. I kept on meeting, like throughout the summer, I kept on like meeting celebrities, okay? So the first celebrity that I met was David Ortiz. And this is all, guys, this is all while literally I was just freestyling. That's what I was doing. I was just out freestyling, sitting at the bar, taking myself out for some drinks, some dinner. Most of the time, I definitely did not pay. But it was just a great summer. It was a good summer. I met a lot of amazing people. So I met David Ortiz. That's the first celebrity that I met. The second celebrity that I met was, guy, what's his name? Hold on. So I ended up meeting Elliot, the guy from Jordan's Furniture. I met him, I believe he owns Jordan's Furniture, actually. I met him twice. 2 times while freestyling, while going out, just hanging at the bar, eating, drinking. Like, I met him twice. He's actually a really nice guy. He's really sweet. Yeah, and I ended up meeting, and this is wild as hell. So remember when Drake had that concert, and I think he's still on tour right now. He had a concert in Boston, right? He had a concert in Boston, and why did I run into him at one of the nicest hotels in Boston? I ran into him. I was sitting right next to his entourage, one of his friends. Me and him, we spoke briefly. It was, nothing crazy. It was just like a 2-minute conversation, probably less than that. It was very brief conversation or whatever. But he was telling me the food I was eating looked good, and Drake was sitting right next to him. So he was like 1 seat away from me, basically. And it was like insane. I was like, whoa. Actually, Drake is really tall in person too, by the way. Obviously, I didn't really talk to him or get any photos because I was waiting for my date. Well, I was pre-gaming before my date, so 1 little drink, get the shyness out the way, never hurt nobody. So yeah, I had a drink and a little appetizer before my date because I was like, listen, I don't want to be sitting there munching, chopping, blah, 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 you know what I'm saying? And the place that we was going to go to, I didn't really like their food anyways, but their drinks be bomb. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that was part of this. That was the most exciting part of my summer, I would say. I met a lot of great people. I was out in Rhode Island, Newport, Rhode Island, and I met a bunch of people. Well, not a bunch of people. I did meet a bunch of people, but only certain people stuck with me. Because I'm selective. I'm a little selective about who I hang around with. But yeah, so I met a guy that lives down there. He's super cool. He's probably going to watch this. If you're watching this, hey, how you doing? Giving you a shout out. But yeah, so I met a lot of amazing people this summer. I made new friends. I made new connections. And like, it was a really great summer. I did not travel anywhere this summer. I vowed not to travel anywhere. I just wanted to enjoy the summer in Boston because it definitely doesn't last too long. It only lasts like 2-3 months, out of the whole year. And I really just wanted to enjoy that here. It was not the best summer. It was raining. It was a little bit iffy as far as weather goes. You know, it was very worrisome. I'm like, what's going on? The summer ain't the summer no more. Okay, is it climate change? Is it something going on? But the one year I decided to stay my little butt here and not travel or do anything insanely crazy is the time where the weather is like trashy. Anywho, I enjoyed myself nonetheless. I enjoyed my summer. It was a great summer. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to update you guys. Oh, and as far as my last date went, the date was good. The date went good. There's going to be another date. And then I was supposed to go on a date that Friday as well. Because remember, I started vlogging Tuesday. I was supposed to go on another date that Friday with a guy that I've been kind of dating for a little bit. He's cool. He's really down to earth. We went to this private club in Boston. Called the Quinn House. It was really great. It was a good time. That's a beautiful private club, and he's a member at that club. He's a good guy. He's cool, you know. But I could not make that date Friday because I had a hair appointment I had to make, so that was just not gonna work. And yeah, even though he offered to give me an Uber to go down to where he, you know, where the restaurant was, I was like, I'm tired because I don't live in the city. I live outside the city. So I'm like, I'm tired, baby. I went from here to there to there. Like, then I got to go home, get dressed, you know, freshen up, all that stuff. Like, I don't want to do that. So that ended up working out. And yeah, I just took a break. I've just been chilling in the crib, you know, hanging out, like kind of relaxing. The school year's about to start. Things are about to get rolling, you know, back up again. And this is the last week of the summer. So I'm kind of like just relaxing, laying back, chilling, working on my advertisement, working on my little business, you know, and doing what I got to do. Kind of like laying low. I don't want to do too much. I've been outside this entire summer. Matter of fact, let me show y'all how outside I've been. Cause y'all better not judge me either because my heels are tore up to the floor up. Look at my heel. What? Look at my heels. Look at my heels. Where's the bottom part of it? It's gone, honey. It's gone. It's gone. Okay? These are beat up a little bit. They're a little tore up. This, do you see this? If you're not outside like this, if you're not outside. Okay, guys, so we are back. Oh my gosh, my SD card was full and I could no longer record unless I freed up some space. So I had to go and do that. It is the next day now, but basically I was just saying, if you're not outside, you're doing it wrong. You need to be out here, you need to be outside, you need to be meeting new people and making new friends. That's the best way to meet people. Pretty much. So I think I'm gonna just close it out here. I mean, I had an amazing summer. I met celebrities. I met some new friends. I made some new connections. I should have brought in my camera with me, but I'm still getting used to having it outside because it's not like a phone. It's a whole camera. So yeah, guys, it's a gloomy day today. I'm going to close this one out. I don't really have much else to say. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting, tuning in, and watching me as always. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.